Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. This is your favorite tech savvy, your Kimute Fale NS. So in this video, I want to quickly share with you 5 amazing things that you should do to make your website to be hack free. One of them is make sure that all your plugins and themes on your website are all updated. Now also make sure that your WordPress is updated, and that will enable you to make sure that the plugins you're using are actually compatible and they are tested with the current version of WordPress that you are using. Now another thing you need to do is you have to make sure that your WP login URL is changed from the default WP admin. Okay, now every website that is built with WordPress has a default login URL, which is your website.com/WP-admin. So I advise you use a particular plugin that is called WP Login Changer. It will change your default URL to a different link entirely that anybody cannot guess. All right, if you do that correctly, your website is actually hack free. Now another thing you need to do is to make sure that you use security plugins like Cloudware, you use plugins like WordFence and the rest of them. They're going to make your website to be hack free. Now if you've done all of this correctly, you're good to go. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video so that YouTube gets shared to more persons. Also click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. Bye.